Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete multiple posts on Instagram. If you're looking to clean up your profile and remove old or unwanted posts, this step-by-step guide will show you how to do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. From there, tap on Your Activity to view your recent activity on the app. Now, tap on the Posts option to see a grid of all the posts you've shared on your profile. To delete multiple posts at once, simply long press on one post and then select the others you want to remove. Once you've selected all the posts you want to delete, tap on the Delete option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will then be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the selected posts. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple posts on Instagram. This method is a quick and easy way to tidy up your profile and keep it looking fresh and organized. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and happy posting on Instagram.